Let's connect Exayard to Zapier. Open your account menu and find the API option. On the developer page, your API keys live here. Create an API key. Any name works. Copy the key now, it won't be shown again. Over in Zapier, create a new Zap. For the trigger, search and pick the Exayard app. Open the event drop-down to see Exayard's triggers. Pick any trigger. Here we use new project. Now connect your Exayard account. Paste the API key you copied, then connect. Your account links in seconds, then continue. Test the trigger to pull in recent records. Sample record and continue. Add any action you want. Here it sends an email. This example uses send outbound email. Configure it. You could email your team. Add a subject, like new Exayard project. Write the body however you like. Insert trigger fields like project name and ID. Finish the fields, then continue. Test the step or skip it if you prefer. Then publish to turn your Zap on. Your automation is now live. To see it work, create a project in Exayard. The new project fires the trigger. And your email arrives, all connected.